coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming.
Hello guys, my name is Sukumar. SK Rockers is my YouTube channel. You can find it at the bottom of the video. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video and share it. Let's dig into the content now. I'll be talking about the most valuable word and valuable currency that is called Bitcoin. Nowadays, it's a very booming currency throughout the world. So many countries regularized it, but in India it is not yet regularized. Still, it is in the hands of RBI. So let's look at it. Deeply. And for your kind of information, I'll be informing you. I'll be updating you about the Bitcoin and some other videos regarding a Bitcoin. I'll be showing you how to earn the Bitcoin. First of all, what is the Bitcoin? What are all there in the Bitcoin? Then how to earn the Bitcoin, and where to buy the Bitcoin, and at the same time where to sell. And finally, I'll show you the live video how I'll earn more than 1 Bitcoin per day. So keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my updates. Okay, now let's dig into the Bitcoin now. What is this term Bitcoin? If you search in Google, you'll find so many links, and you'll find the current rate also. When I saw the Bitcoin, when I heard the Bitcoin term, that time the Bitcoin rate was around 28,000 in Indian currency. But in USD, it was around $400, 400 plus dollars. But if you check now, it will be around 70,000 plus in Indian currency and more than 1,000 plus in USD. So it is the most valuable and growing, very good investment plan, so that we'll all can learn, we'll all can earn, grow all together. Okay, let's dig into the Bitcoin now. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, digital cryptocurrency. Suppose if you take any other currency like yens or dollar or Indian rupee, you can feel it. You can touch the physical visibility of the currency. But when you come to the Bitcoin, you don't feel it. Why? Because it's a virtual currency. You can't see it. It will be traversed throughout the network. How the Bitcoins will be generated? There are some mining companies or miners will be there. Those miners will do the mining so that the Bitcoins will be generated based on the hash power they'll use. And for their mining purpose, the Bitcoin networks give them some of the Bitcoins, so that you can deeply search about it in Google. You'll get more and more idea. Okay, let's move on. What are all there in the Bitcoin? Suppose if you take the USD, here I have mentioned two denominations: USD denomination, Bitcoin denomination. Like in USD, you have $1, $5, $10. Like that in Bitcoin also, you have some denominations. Those are called Satoshi and bits. What are these Satoshi? When you see these 1000000, this comes under 10 crore Satoshi. So 1/100th of the Bitcoin. 10 crore Satoshi equals to 1 Bitcoin. We have two denominations in Bitcoin, that is Satoshi and bits. What is Satoshi? 10 crores of Satoshi equals to 1 Bitcoin. At the same time, 100 Satoshi equals to 1 bit. When you come to 10 lakhs of bits, it becomes 1 Bitcoin. So these are the denominations, basic idea for the people who doesn't know about the Bitcoin. So this is my basic video for them. So in my upcoming videos, I'll be showing you where to buy and where to sell, how to earn the Bitcoin without any investment. At the same time, how to earn the Bitcoin by purchasing some Bitcoins or some bits. So I'll be doing live for you, so that you will be understandable. You can easily grasp it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe. SK Rockers. Thanks so much for watching.